morning, sir.
Very good morning. Give me your resume.
Okay, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Anusha, sir.
Okay, Anusha, tell me about yourself.
Thank you, sir, giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Anusha Alagapalli. I'm from Ibrahimpatnam. I completed my graduation in the stream of BCom Computers in under Usmania University in Sahitya Degree College for Women in the year 2023. And coming to my intermediate, I completed my intermediate in Sahitya Junior College for Girls in the stream of MEC in the year 2018 to 20. And coming to my schooling, I completed my schooling in Laila Model High School, Ibrahimpatnam in the year 2017 to 18. And coming to my technical skills, I have a good knowledge in MS Office, Tally and testing.
Your technical skills manual testing.
Yes, sir.
What is testing?
Comparison between the actual values to the expected values is known as testing.
Why software application will have defects?
Software application have defects gathering information by business analyst and wrong by system architecture and wrong code by developer.
What is verification?
Verification, developing the application, verifying the various documents to check whether it is working according to the client requirement or not is known as verification.
What is validation?
Well, before developing the application, checking the various documents whether we are going to develop a right application or not is known as validation.
Okay, what is a bug?
Defect is accepted by the developer is known as bug.
What is defect?
Defect. While testing the application, finds the deviation between the actual values and the expected values is known as defect.
Okay, what is manual testing?
Manual testing. Manual testing means testing the software application directly by interacting with it is known as manual testing.
What is automation testing?
Automation testing means testing the software application with the help of some automation tools. Example FTP, QTP, Selenium, etc.
Okay. Explain waterfall model.
Waterfall model. It is also known as SDLC model. It is same as SDLC model for small size of projects where the requirements are very less and chances of making mistakes are very less. And waterfall model looks like same waterfall model. In this waterfall model, there is no verification. It is suitable for small size of projects and easy to understand and implement. Disadvantages: it is not suitable for big size of projects. Client changes in the middle are not included.
What is kickoff meeting?
Kickoff meetings. Any startup meetings is known as kickoff meetings. The CEO of the company meeting to assign the project manager to the project is known as kickoff meetings.
What business analyst will do?
Business analysis will select and collect the client requirements and write it in one document is known as BRS document.
Explain V model.
V model, it is same as SDLC models. It is suitable for small size of projects where the requirements are very less and confusing and chances of making requirements are very high. Advantages: it is best suitable for small size of projects, easy to understand and implement, 100% quality. Disadvantages: it is not suitable for big size of projects, client requirement in the middle are not included.
Why do we conduct testing?
Testing the application. If the tester finds any defects, they are reported to the developer and developer fixes the defects and develop the software application.
And RAD model.
RAD model. RAD model, it is best suitable for the big size of project. It is one of the incremental model. When the entire application is developed within the short period of time, it is followed by various modules and it is followed by the SDLC activities. After developing, all the modules are integrated into one main module and the application is developed. The application is known as RAD model. Advantages: section used for big size of projects, very expensive. Advantages: lot of integration problem during integration, not suitable for small size of projects.
What is prototype model?
Mental model, it is used for big size of projects. It is used when the client is not clear about the requirements. Instead of developing the main application and is developed, the prototype is demonstrated to the client. If client says any changes, those changes are included in the prototype. Again, the prototype is developed. This process will continue until the client accepts the prototype. This is known as prototype model.
Explain SDLC process.
that are involved to develop the software application is known as SDLC process. Software bidding, kickoff meetings, PIN project initiation report, gathering client requirement, project planning, design, code, tester, testing, deployment, maintenance, and support. Software bidding. The CEO of the company and the client will come with an agreement according to the project is known as software bidding. Kickoff meetings. Kickoff meeting, any start of meetings is known as kickoff meetings. The CEO of the company will conduct one meeting and assign project manager to the project is known as kickoff meetings. Next, PIN project initiation report. The project manager will collect the basic information regarding to the project like domain, duration, budget, client requirements, etc. and write it in one note is known as project initiation note. Next, gathering client requirement. The business analyst client and collect the requirements of the clients and write it in one document is known as BRS document, and it works according to the domain of the project. Next, project planning. Project manager will along with his team, testing team, business analysis team, etc. will together gather and prepare a project according to the project is known as project planning. Next, design. It is BRS documents, understand the client requirement and start writing the code according to the coding. It is done by the developer after reading the BRS document, understand it and start writing the code according to the design is developed. Tester test the application and find defects. They are reported to the developer, and developer by making some changes in the code, and the application is developed. Next, deployment. After developing the application, it is delivered to the client by keeping it in one server is known as deployment. Release or maintenance. While using the application, if client faces any problems, there is a separate team called support or maintenance. This is the process of SDLC.
Okay, explain it.
Agile model. It is one of the incremental model used to develop the software application. The entire application is developed by following each module is followed by SDLC activities. The 2 to 3 activities that are implemented to develop it in the 1 to 2 weeks is known as sprint. Sprint execution. Master will conduct one meeting along with the agile team. Business analyst will conduct meeting with agile team and will develop the application, and tester will test the application. If any defects are found, that are reported, and the entire application is developed by following the sprint, one by one sprint.
Okay, Anusha, your communication is good, but in technical wise, you still need to improve. Don't feel nervous while giving the answers, okay?
Okay, sir.
Show confidence on your face,
Okay, sir, I will.
okay?
Okay.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.